be doing the Luna Swirl technique in this video, using the colors of these beautiful flowers and creating these lovely bars of soap. I think they're absolutely gorgeous. Stay tuned for the rest of the video to see how I accomplish this. Make sure you grab a snack. Good day, awesome people. I am Natasha and I am using the colors of the flowers that you saw in the beginning of the video, and also using the Luna Swirl technique to accomplish this beautiful soap. I hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making this soap, so let's get into it. So as you can see, I'm going to be starting with the green. Now, if you've seen my previous video, I was wishing for the green so bad, and I had to do another soap with the green in it. I used two different colors. It actually has like a yellowish green to it, which I think is very nature friendly looking if you ask me. But I love the color, and I started to go ahead and ombre it out. So guys, the Luna Swirl technique is a method of making soap where you take certain colors, you ombre them out by lightening them in the soap, and then towards the end you pour accent colors down the wall of the mold, and you use a hanger swirl tool to swirl those accent colors inside the bar of your soap. It creates a beautiful soap. I've seen so many different designs. It's just completely awesome. I learned this technique through the Soap Challenge Club. This technique was developed and perfected by Christina Greenwood of Luna and the Leaf. I'm not gonna lie, you guys, I started to zone out. I was so relaxed. I know that I have this video going at a high speed, so it looks like I'm going crazy. But when you're doing this soap and you ombreing the colors out, it just feels so relaxing. It's a very relaxing technique to do when you're trying to create something different in your soap. As far as the purple is concerned, you guys, I just wish that I just had one additional darker, deeper purple to put in this soap. I think that it would add another layer of complexity and creativity to the bar. But, you know, that's okay. Next time. And here's the portion of the Luna Swirl technique that I was telling you, where you pour accent colors down the wall side of your soap loaf, and then you use the hanger swirl tool to try to pull it through. You could use any color. I probably would have loved to use the deeper purple, because that would have just set off this soap. I'm going to be doing this technique more often, especially now that the holidays are coming up. But I also was not trying to hear doing too little swirls. I feel like in the last soap that I did using this technique, I didn't swirl enough, and I didn't get enough of that Luna look that I was looking for. But this time I was making sure. I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go right back in and do a few more, because I do not want to be disappointed. So I didn't really have a plan for this part, but we're going to just go and dip into our creative juices and see what we come up with. The one thing I don't like is overworking the tops of the soap because it kind of gets lumpy and bumpy, but I made it work, you guys. I made it work. Even though I did see a little lumpy bumpy going on, but the end result still came out beautiful. It is the next day, and immediately I realized that I should have given the soap more time because it was a bit soft, but I made it work. After I cut it, I made sure they dried out. All right, now, y'all ready for this soap cut? Hold on to your roots and bootstraps. What? This is whimsical, nice. You see how the hanger swirl tool was pulling the soap through each other. You see the ombre colors. You see the deep colors going into the light, deep into light. The purple went from purple to pink. Beautiful, beautiful. I wish my accent colors were a bit deeper, the ones that I pulled on the side of the soap, but it's okay. This is a inspired soap of the flower that I showed in the beginning, and I think it came out beautiful. I mean, this looks like butterfly wings. If you are a soap maker, try this technique out. I've seen some off the chain designs come out of the Luna Swirl technique. I mean, this is beautiful, but there is so much more that you can get out of the design in your soap when you use this technique. Trust me, guys. But I am very satisfied with the way my soap came out. I think it came out very beautiful. It's just a beautifully inspired soap by those flowers, and I think I did a great job. What would I do different? I think I'm going to play around with the hanger swirl tool. I think I want to try different things because I think different material will pull more soap through the bar and give a more in-depth look or in-depth design. I think I will play with the colors also. I think I want something more contrasting so that I can see a difference, but overall, my goodness, what a beautiful design. I use sweet pea fragrance oil. The soap smells beautiful. That's fragrance oil, guys. You should really try it if you haven't. When you're in the shower, it is just unbelievable, and on your skin too, it is unbelievable. You know what? You guys need to protect your energy. As always, thank you for stopping by and watching my videos, and watch some more. I will see you in the next one. Bye for now, you guys.